Hi buddy, welcome back to answersQ. In this video, we'll see about a free JavaScript Bootcamp program that is offered by LetsUpgrade. So before we see about that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you'll get a notification whenever we upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all those links in description. Do check it out. And here is a small update regarding Coursera. So I hope you all know about Coursera. It's a very good e-learning platform where you can get courses from 275 plus leading universities and companies like Google, Meta, Amazon, IBM, Microsoft, Duke University, Stanford University, HEC Paris, Johns Hopkins University. So top companies and universities are offering online courses across different categories via this Coursera platform. So if you want to purchase any course in Coursera, instead of buying a single course, you can opt for Coursera Plus, because this will give you access to 7,000 plus world-class courses, hands-on projects and job-ready certification programs offered by some big companies like Meta and Google. So if you are interested in this, just check out the link in description for Coursera Plus. So now let's move on and see about the free JavaScript Programming Essentials Bootcamp program offered by LetsUpgrade. So this is a 3 days bootcamp program where you have to spend around 2 hours per day to learn about JavaScript programming. So you'll get 100% live training about JavaScript programming where you can learn from expert developers, and you'll also work on some projects. So this will give you that practical learning experience. So you'll have around 6 to 7 hours of learning content in this bootcamp, and you can also get a certification after completing the JavaScript Programming Essentials Bootcamp. So this JavaScript Programming Essentials Bootcamp will be starting on 22nd of June 2023 at 6 p.m. So you can see that here the time zone given here is in IST. So if you're outside of India, just convert this to your local time zone. So from 22nd June onwards, you have to spend 2 hours per day for next 3 days to attend this JavaScript Programming Essentials Bootcamp. And anyone who wants to learn JavaScript programming can take part in this bootcamp. You can learn for free. The actual cost is $3,999, but now you are getting it for free. You can see that here. It's completely free of cost. You do not have to pay for anything. So now let's move on and see what are the things which will be covered in this JavaScript bootcamp. So first you'll get to learn the basics of JavaScript in this module, starting with JavaScript. And then you will get to learn about the variables and data types. And the third module is operators in JavaScript. And the fourth module is control flow in JavaScript. And the fifth one is functions in JavaScript. So these are the topics which will be covered in this bootcamp. So you can learn about all these things. And these are the 3 different projects in which you'll work on in this bootcamp. So you'll create a web page calculator, you'll create a hangman game, you'll create an image gallery using JavaScript programming. Like whatever concepts you learn in this course, you implement in these projects. So it is a good bonus for you because you can add these projects in your portfolio as well. You can also mention it in your resume. You can speak about it in your LinkedIn profile as well. So this is an added bonus for you. So make use of it. And as I said, it is a live program, but even if you miss the live sessions, you can always get the recording sessions and learn from it. And once you complete the program, you can get a certificate like this. So here you can see the program title, JavaScript Programming Essentials Bootcamp. So here your name will come. So you can get a certificate like this from LetsUpgrade. So they are providing this certificate in collaboration with NSDC, ITM Editech and Google Developers Group. So you can also get this certificate and share it in your LinkedIn, and you can also attach it in your profile as well. So now let's see how you can register for this JavaScript Programming Essentials Bootcamp program. So once you are on this page, just click on the sign up at the right top, and then you'll be directed to a page like this. So here fill in the basic details like your name, email address, and set a password for your account. Give your mobile number and click on submit and create your LetsUpgrade account. Or else you can also use your Google account to create an account in this platform. If you already have a LetsUpgrade account, you can simply log into it. And once you're logged into your LetsUpgrade account, you can simply click on this Enroll Now button that you see here in the program page. And you can just go ahead and register for this JavaScript Programming Essentials Bootcamp program. It's a very simple registration process. And once you complete the registration, you will get a mail in which you'll have all the instructions regarding the bootcamp. So you can attend it on the mentioned date and time, and you can learn about JavaScript programming, and you can also get a certificate of completion. So I hope you'll definitely find this JavaScript bootcamp very useful to learn the fundamentals of JavaScript. If you want to get more updates about online courses or bootcamps like these, just subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we upload a video like this.